screed. The key differences between a self-leveling screed and travel-applied screeds are as follows. So number 1, purpose. Pare, kailangan mo ng isang makapal na hahabulin na tapping. Kailangan mo gumamit ng travel-applied na screed. Merong Hardcrit 303.
Meron din namang Hardcrit EC802 na ginagamit kapag may scaling sa heavy traffic area such as roads and pavements. It has a compressive strength of around 8,000 PSI at a minimum thickness of 2 mm.
Merong Hardcrit 310, Hardcrit 510, Hardcrit 620. The first digit tells you ano yung compressive strength niya. So for 303, ibig sabihin ng first 3 ay 3,000 and the last 2 digits will identify gano'n naman ang minimum thickness na kailangan mo. Pakilala ko muna sa inyo yung mga screeds ng Buildrite. For the self-leveling type, we have level up. Okay, so maganda ang level up before applying coatings sa mga thinner application, probably until 20 mm, 10 mm, or even 3 mm, kaya ng self-leveling na screed yan. Okay, so next, ano pa? Areas of application. So, pag large areas, we recommend na mas okay gamitin yung self-leveling na screed, no? Versus sa travel applied. Kasi yung finish ng travel applied ay medyo rough. Ang finish naman ng self-leveling screed ay makinis. Lastly, yung cost. If you're going to apply a large area and then you're going to use travel applied, again, kailangan mo tignan yung cost ng time, manpower, and kailangan mo din tignan yung skill sets. Kasi mas madali gamitin ang self-leveling. You just pour it.